Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will talk about how to traverse a tree. Basically, in tree, there are three methods to traverse a tree. First is pre-order, another one is post-order, and last in order. In today's lecture, we will talk about these three traversal technique for the tree. Let's see one by one how these how to implement this traversal technique. So as you can see, this is a binary tree. This is my binary tree. How can you find this is a binary tree? That its every left child, root's left child will be smaller than its root right child. Okay. So if this is a root, the left child will be smaller and the right child will be bigger. So let's see. First of all, we will talk about pre-order. So pre-order means there is uh, three term which we can say basically used in this traversal terms, which is root, right, and left. These are three terms which we are using, which we are basically using in traversing. So first of all, pre-order. Pre-order means first of all we come to a root. After that we travel to the left. After that we will travel right. RIGST. So how this will look like? So let me draw a random tree. So there is a trick for pre-order, same with others. So how to print a tree in pre-order? So first of all, we simply draw a line to its left side. So this is how we gonna make. Let me draw it again. So first of all, we have to draw a simple line pointing to the left side of the tree. This is left side. So this is our left side. Okay, this is our right side. Simple. So let's make a line pointing the left side of the tree. So these are line we make. Now, after making a line, we have to traverse the tree from the left side. Always we have to traverse the tree from the left side. So how can it be look like? It is simple like we are going in a car. So let's make a car. So how to make a car? Let's me, yep, this is a car. Okay. So we have to first we have to come to our root node. If this line cut, if we cut a line which we draw, so if we cut a line, then we will put in our array. Okay. So this array will be denote the pre-order traversal of the tree. Simple. So let's see. So first of all we travel, then we cut our first line which is our root node. So we will put inside our array. After that we travel, we come to this node. This line is cut, then we put this node into tree. Again we will travel. Now here is a point. We does not move from this to this. Okay, it does not move from this. We have to travel alongside the basically called edges. So first of all we traverse to edges and back to our root node. After that we make a u-turn, then again travel, then again this line will be cut. So again Now we have traversed through the edges. Now we back to our root node and then again traverse in the right direction. So this node will be cut, again this node will be cut, and back to our root node. This is our starting and end point. Okay, for traveling. So this is how this will gonna look like in our this tree. So suppose let's make let's make a copy of this tree. So let's do make a copy and paste it here. Yep, it's fine. So now see, again we will make a line. Let's make a line pointing to its right side. Okay, let me undo it. It's pointing left side. Every node's pointing to its left side. Left side, left side, left side, left side, left side. So let's make our car and try to drive it. Don't drink and drive. Okay, so this is our car, say. So first of all, we travel along the left side, as we know. So first of all, it cuts our root node. So what is root node? It's 20. So we put into our array. After that, now we go. After that, it's cut 10. So we will put 10. After that, we will cut 5. Then we will put 5. As we can go ahead, we will also cut 2. After that, this is a null node basically. So it can be erased. So there is no point of showing this. After reaching to the null node, we basically follow the edges. Don't we go here and cut this line. This is not a proper way. So now we will follow this line. Again we will follow and we will cut 15. We will cut 15, which is coming into our path. We will put that number into our array. Again we will start traversing, and it will cut our 12 also. If we reach our root node, then we come back to our root node. So after coming back, again we will start traveling. It will cut 14 as 15 and come back to our root node, again 45, and we will come back to our starting point. So after 12, it will cut 40, then 30, then 45. So we will put into our array 40, 30, and 45. Simple. Okay. So this array represent our pre-order traversal. Okay, simple. Pre-order traversal. So let me make a copy of this. So when we run our program, we see how this pre-order will be look like. Okay. So let's make a copy. Uh, this is our pre-order traversal. Okay. So let's make, yep, this is our pre-order traversal. Okay. Again we come to our notes. Now we will see about uh, of uh, what is next one, post order traversal. So let's see about post order traversal, how to do it. So let's make our tree again for post order. In post order, let's make our tree first. Yeah, this is our tree. In post order, we usually travel. As you know, we define some terms: root, right, left. So again, first of all, we will travel to the left side of the tree. Then we will print our root node. Then we come to right side of the tree. simple. This is simple as. Okay. Nope, this is not right. First of all, we have travel left side, then right side, then route. In post order, the routes come at the end. So let's see how to memorize it. So as we make some lines to the left side of the tree in pre-order traversal, this is left side, this is right side, right side. So now we will make same lines but in different direction. So we will make our lines facing towards right side. So how this will look like? Root node that is pointing toward right side facing, this is right, this is right, again right, 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 right. Now traveling is same as mm, we do in pre-order traversal. So we will start with the left side. We travel, 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 travel. Then the line cuts. We will put into our array. So first of all, we put into our array, then cut, then comes to right side, then cut, then again this will same reaches to our start point. Okay, this is pretty much same as the pre-order, but the difference is we have to make a line which is facing the right side of the tree. Okay, simple. Let's rub it and do. Let's try on our tree how this order will be look like. Okay, this is our tree. Yep. So let's see. This is our array in which we are traversing, in which we are putting all the nodes. So post order, this is a post order traversal. So let's see. First of all, we have to make a line facing the right side of the tree. Let's make some lines. Yep. There is no point of making null node. Let me rub it from here also. So let's see how this will work. So first of all, we have to make our car. For traveling, we need car. So our car start from the left side as it is similar to our pre-order traversal. So it start from left side. Again we travel, travel, travel. It's cut our second node, matlab node which basically having a data of 2. Again we travel, it cut node which having data 5. Again we will travel, come to our root node. Again we will travel right side, it will cut 12, 15, 10. Then we will put 12, 15, 10. Okay, after that we again travel it, it will cut 13, 30, 45, 40. Again we will put into our 30, 45, 40, and at last 20 the root node, at last 20 the root node. So as you can see, first we travel right side, then we will travel left, right, first we travel left side of the tree, which we cut the value. Again we travel right side, and at the end we comes to our root node. Okay, so this is pretty much about that. Okay, so this is our answer. Let's, this is our post order traversal, post order. So let's save this answer also. This is our post order. Okay, now it's time to think about what it is, in order travel. So yeah, so let's erase this part. Okay, so let's copy this again, our tree, binary tree, copy and paste it here. Now in in order traversal, we do same thing. We make line, but in different direction again. In order traversal. Okay. So how we in pre-order we make our line left side. In post-order we make our line right side. So now in order we will make our line pointing downwards. Okay, simple. We will make our line which is pointing downwards. So how this look basically how this gonna look like. This is basically we are pointing every node pointing downwards. Make a line down, down, again down, again down, 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 down. Yep, yep, down. Simple. Okay. In order we are basically traversing. First of all we are traversing to our left, then root, then right. Okay, it is pretty much same. But the difference between left right basically order of that three member, three terms. Okay, it is similar. So let's make our car again for traveling every node. Okay, so let's start traveling. Every time I say traveling, we have to travel from the left side of the tree, not right side, not any other direction. We have to travel in left side. We have to start travel from our root node to the left side. Okay, simple. So let's start traveling. So as we travel down, we will cut our first node. Let's make an array. Our cut nodes which is 2. Again we will travel. We have to travel along the edges, so be careful. Not we have to travel like in this manner or any other manner. Okay, we have to travel along our edges, so it cuts 5. Again we will travel, then 10, 12, 15. 10, 12, 15, a link. Again we does not have to travel. Let me undo it. Again we does not have to travel from the here to here, so we have to come back to our edges. Along with our edges, let me draw it clearly, and cut our root node which is 20. Again we travel 30, 40, 45 back to root node. So we will put again 30, 40, 45. We will see this code, how this code wanna look like. So this is our in order traversal. In order. So let's again make a copy of this answer so that we can check after the running of the code. So this is in order traversal. Okay, simple. So let's summarize it, how our three methods of traveling will work. So let's make a tree, random tree. Okay, so let's make pre-order, post-order, and in order. So in pre-order, we usually make lines facing towards left side. So every node's having line facing towards its left side. So let's let me undo it. So let's make left side. Again we will travel. So first of all it will cut our left node. So we make left. After that it will cut our right node, that we put right. After that it will cut, first of all it will let me make it clear. First of all, it will cut our root node. Sorry. First of all, it will cut our root node, then left. Basically, it's cut our root node first, so little bit take care of that. So first of all, it will cut our root node, then left side, then right. Okay. In post order traversal, we will make lines which are facing to the right side of the tree. Okay. So let's see. Let's run our car, and first of all it cuts the left node. So previously when it is facing left side, it cuts the root node. Now it will cutting the left. After that it does not cut our root node, then it cut right node. So we will points toward right. Okay, simple. Right. That it will cut our root node. So we will put root. Simple. In order traversal, so let's do in order traversal. In order traversal, we put line which are facing downwards. So let's make a line downward, 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 downward. Okay. So let's travel again. So in traveling, we first cut our left node. So we will put left. After that, we will cut our root node. So we will put our root. After that, we will cut our right node, right node, RIGST, right node. So this is the pretty much way in which we can traverse a tree in three form: pre-order, post-order, in order. With a simple trick, in pre-order we will put a line which is facing towards left side. In post-order we have to put line which is facing right side of the tree. Okay, right side of the node. And in order we have to put line under the node which is facing downward. Okay, simple. Let's see what code says. Let's comes on to the code. Let's see. So this is the code, and this is the similar code which we do in binary search tree, which we done in binary search tree in previous video. So let's see how our traversal technique. This is the same similar tree which we make in our notepad. So let's do for pre-order. So in pre-order we basically let me show the whiteboard. Yep. In pre-order we basically traverse from the root, then left, then right. Okay, so let's see code, how our code look like. So in pre-order, this is our root node. Then after that we will traverse to the left side of the node, left side of the node. Then after that we will traverse to the right side of the node. Simple. If it is similar, if the root is empty, we will print. This is a fancy way to print a tree. So if root is empty, we will print empty. If it will travel left side, then we will print left. It will travel right side, we will print right. And if we are at the root node, we will print the data of that root node. Simple. Okay, let's see about post order. In post order, we will travel up, we will travel through left, right, root. Okay. In let me Yeah. In post order, we will travel left, right, root. Okay. So let's see how this code gonna look like. So in this is our post order traversal. It is simple. If the root is not null, we will travel. This is our left side, left left. Then after that we will travel our right side. After that, this is our root. Simple. Okay. Same with in order traversal. First of all, let me show the whiteboard. In order, first of all we travel left side, then root, then right. Okay, let's see. First of all we have to travel left side, so we will left, then head. This is the root node basically. And that after that we have to traverse through the right side. Simple. So this is the simple three way to traverse. Let's see if our code is matching with our technique which we used to fill the array. So let's see. Whiteboard, just a second. This is our order. Okay, let's run the command prompt. Yep. So I think it is visible. Yep, it is visible. Let me make it little bit smaller. Yep, I think it is visible pretty much. So let's run our code. It's b search tree a.exe. So this is the order. So let's check. Let me resize it little bit so that you can view clearly. Yeah, now it is visible. So first of all, we have done in pre-order traversal. This is our pre-order traversal. Let me check. It will print here 20. It we will also print 20, then 10, then 10, 5, 10, 5, 2. Either this is a 5, this is a 2. Okay. Let me do one thing also. Yep. So let's see. This is first of all we have to first value is 20. So in the array in pre-order traversal we put 20 also. So again 10. After that if we will put 10, 15. Oh sorry 5. We will put 5 also. After that 20. 2. I'm sorry. After that we will put 15, then 12, 15, then 12. Yep, it is right. 40, 30, 45. 40, 30, 45. 40, 30, 45. Yep, our pre-order traversal is right. Now check post-order traversal. It is 2, after 5, 12, after that 15, then 10, 30, 45, 40, 20. Yep, it is our post-order is also similar. Now check our in-order traversal. 2, 5, 2, 5, 10, 12, 10, 12, 15, 20, 15, 20, 30, 40, 45, 30, 40, 45. Yep, our in order is also same. So this is about how to traverse a tree in three methods: pre-order, post-order, and in order traversal. So thank you for watching. Thank you.